Hi, my name is Ray Hodges. I was fortunate to take the August 8th Sub 2 workshop with Tim Cook of West DFW REI Group. I'd like to say that Tim did an excellent job explaining the strategies, um, showing us the documentation related to the Sub 2 strategy. Um, he also explain to us who would be good targets for a sub two strategy. Overall, I'd say that I feel very confident that I can now add sub two to my real estate toolkit. So much so that a couple of things. I'm very excited to get out and begin marketing this strategy and using it to help some folks. And I also would like to, and I plan to pursue um, joint venture opportunities with Tim to make sure I execute effectively and successfully. So, in closing, as I said before, Tim did an excellent job, wonderful job, uh, exposing us to the strategy. Sub two, I would strongly recommend that you take this workshop so that you can add this to your arsenal as well. And so, folks, take the Sub 2 workshop, learn how to help some folks, and let's make some money.